There's a spice sitting in your kitchen right now that could help you restore something you thought was lost: strength, vitality, and a sense of well-being. What if I told you that in just 60 seconds a day, you could improve your circulation, enhance your energy levels, and even support your testosterone? No expensive supplements, no complex gadgets, just natural power from a simple, everyday ingredient. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stay with me. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you how this ancient remedy could help you take back the vitality you have been searching for without the side effects of pills or supplements. As we get older, we face a lot of changes. Strength diminishes, energy fades, and we begin to feel like the best years are behind us. But what if I told you that regaining some of that vitality is much simpler than we think? Today, I am going to introduce you to a powerful natural remedy that has the potential to improve your circulation, boost your energy, and help you maintain a level of strength that aging does not have to steal. This is not some trendy new supplement or a high-tech gadget. It is a common spice you have likely passed by in your kitchen 100 times. The spice? Cloves. In just a few minutes, I will explain how cloves, specifically the compound eugenol, can enhance circulation, support healthy testosterone levels, and rejuvenate your overall well-being. And best of all, it is something you can do right now, without prescriptions or expensive treatments. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use cloves to feel more energetic, vital, and connected to your body. Let's dive in. As we get older, it is inevitable that our blood vessels start to narrow and circulation begins to slow down. This impacts everything: your energy, mental clarity, and even sexual health. But here is the thing: we can slow down the aging process by simply supporting our body's natural mechanisms. Cloves, and specifically the compound eugenol, have powerful effects on circulation. Eugenol is a vasodilator, meaning it helps relax blood vessels and promotes better blood flow. This is crucial for men over 50 because improved circulation means better energy levels, more stamina, and overall better performance in day-to-day activities. In fact, studies from the National Institutes of Health (NIH) and others have shown that eugenol can improve vascular health and reduce oxidative stress, both of which contribute to maintaining youthful vitality. What does this mean for you? It means that even a small change like chewing a few cloves each day could help restore the circulation and vitality you might have thought was slipping away. Now let's dig deeper into how cloves work at a physiological level. The decline in testosterone is a common issue for men as they age, leading to decreased energy, muscle mass, and libido. But did you know that improving circulation and reducing inflammation can directly support testosterone production? This is where cloves come in. By improving blood flow and reducing oxidative damage to blood vessels, cloves play a supportive role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology has shown that nitric oxide, which is promoted by compounds like eugenol, can enhance testosterone secretion by improving vascular health and stimulating blood flow to essential organs. This does not mean cloves are going to magically reverse low testosterone, but by supporting healthy circulation, they can help your body maintain balanced hormone levels, which is crucial as you age. This simple action can give you more energy, better mood, and even improved sexual health. Testosterone is a key hormone that affects much more than just sexual health. It is tied to muscle mass, energy levels, and even mental clarity. As men age, testosterone naturally begins to decline, and this can result in a loss of strength, energy, and overall vitality. But here is the important part: testosterone decline is linked to reduced circulation. Poor blood flow means that testosterone and other essential hormones do not get delivered as effectively throughout the body. Cloves, with their ability to improve blood flow, help restore the delivery of these vital hormones to the areas where they are needed most. A study published in Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that increased circulation can help mitigate the effects of testosterone decline, improving muscle strength and libido. While cloves are not a miracle cure, they support your body's natural processes, which means you can maintain healthier testosterone levels and continue feeling like your best self. Now, Let's break it down. How do you use cloves to experience these benefits? It is actually very simple. Take 2 to 3 whole cloves, preferably organic, and place them between your back teeth. Slowly bite down until they crack open, releasing the oils. Hold the broken cloves in your mouth for 30 seconds. This allows the eugenol and other compounds to be absorbed through your mucous membranes. After 30 seconds, begin gently chewing the cloves to further release the oils. Swallow the remnants or spit them out. Either way, you will begin to feel the effects of the cloves working in your body. Doing this for just 60 seconds every day could help restore vitality and improve circulation. The key is consistency. Make it a daily habit, and you will start to feel the difference. Aging isn't just about the physical changes, it is an emotional one too. Many men fear that their best days are behind them. They worry about losing strength, vitality, and even confidence. The good news is that aging does not have to equal decline. Cloves can support your body's natural systems, but they can also help you feel more alive and engaged. By improving circulation and reducing the oxidative stress that naturally accumulates as we age, cloves help you feel more energized, more present, and more confident. You might not feel the changes overnight, but with small, consistent actions like chewing cloves every day, you can feel younger, more connected to your body, and ready to take on the challenges of aging with confidence. Aging doesn't have to be about losing it all. It is about taking back what you can and supporting your body with the right choices. Cloves aren't a quick fix, but they can support your circulation, vitality, and overall health in a natural, powerful way. Start tonight. Add cloves to your routine and begin to reclaim your strength. Share this video with a man who could use this knowledge, and let's face aging together, one simple habit at a time. Share this with a man who needs to hear it.